In this video, I'm going to show you basic disassembly of the WA2000 AEG. First thing, you're gonna need long screwdriver and shorter ones. I mean, these are Allen keys. Here you also have an Allen key, and here's a Phillips screwdriver. It doesn't really matter because the type of screw you choose is up to you. So you wanna start with this thing. You press this button and then you can remove it. Now you take out the magazine, and here, you see there's a button down there, and there are currently BBs between the magwell and the hop-up chamber, and to remove them you have to press that button, flip the gun to the correct position, and okay, that's how you remove BBs from there. Okay, now we can take off this part. So you take the long screwdriver, and here you have a screw. You have to take it out, or just unscrew it, doesn't matter. And now here is the screw you have to remove, or just unscrew. I'm not gonna be removing them. Okay, and now you take this part out. So what do you do now? You flip it to the other side, and you have to remove this plate. Okay, all 4 screws taken out. Now I can just lift it and put it to the side. Now you can slide out this thing, and you don't need it. Now you have to remove this plate. It's I mean, it's the same thing, you just take out these screws. Okay, and again you just lift it and put it to the side. Okay, now here are 2 screws, and on the other side there are also 2 screws, and you want to not remove them but loosen them. So I make 2 full rotations per screw, and what does it do? It releases the hop-up chamber, because it's attached to the gearbox by these screws. Okay, so now there are 2 screws right here, and firstly you loosen one. I mean, you have to remove them from the thread. I just don't want to take them out, but as you can see, gearbox is no longer connected to the upper bar. And now, it's very important, do it on a table or something, because if you do it in air, the gearbox is gonna fall to the ground. So as you can see, now I can take out the gearbox. However, as you can see, the trigger is connected to the gearbox through these bars. So you have to take out the trigger. To do this, here you have another screw you have to remove. So now you take this thing out, and here's your trigger spring. Don't lose it. And now you can remove it. And as you can see, trigger doesn't want to slide out. So what do you do? So you push it back. Now you have to bend it a bit like this, and now you can remove it. And here is your gearbox. If you want to do something with the gearbox, disassemble it, you have to disconnect the motor and you can remove this thing. And here's your gearbox. And now, when the gearbox is removed, we can easily remove the hop-up chamber. And that's basically it. See you in the next video.